Ever walked into a home and felt, meh? That's not what buyers want. They crave a space that dazzles and feels like home. Enter TidyTex Home Cleaning, a veteran-owned service that transforms any property into a showstopper. Realtors, we know how crucial first impressions are. A neat, inviting house can mean the difference between a quick sale and a property lingering on the market. Our dedicated team specializes in prepping homes for sale, giving you a competitive edge that can't be ignored. Quick turnarounds? You bet. We can ensure your listings shine before those crucial open houses or buyer visits. Imagine walking into a home that sparkles, dust-free surfaces, gleaming kitchens, and fresh-smelling rooms. That's what we deliver. Here's a tidy tip. Before showings, open all blinds and turn on the lights. This simple trick brightens up the space, making it feel warm and welcoming. When buyers feel good, they're more likely to make an offer. So, are you ready to elevate your listings and close deals faster? Check the video description for more details and contact us today. Your success is just a clean away with TidyTex.